Jacuzzi outdoor living. American swimmer Chase Kalish took home the gold medal for the US at the Tokyo Olympics, and it's no surprise when you see the high-tech pools in American Backyards. Aqua Paradise specializes in hybrid pools that are a mix of a spa, mini fitness center, and an infinity pool. Their executive trainer 19X model holds a whopping 9,000 L of water and is 5.8 m long, making it suitable for training in different swimming styles. It's even recommended for triathletes. The pool is insulated and heated so you can use it year-round, and you can control the current lights and other options with a smartphone. At the price for this amazing pool is $50,000. Yeelight Skylight Sunset Pro. The Yeelight Skylight Sunset Pro is a light that looks like a window with 360 degrees projection and precise light control to create effects like a clear sky or a sunset. You can control it with your smartphone or voice, and it costs around $948. This high price tag is due to the advanced technology used, such as a custom projection lens and nano polymerization, which help to accurately replicate RA scatter the way light waves collide with particles in the atmosphere. It's a beautiful, functional, and unforgettable lamp that lets you enjoy a sunset anytime. Lunar energy anywhere. Lunar energy might sound like odd advice from outer space, but it's actually available here on Earth. It's a backup power system that can keep your home running in case of any issues with the grid, and it can even help you save money on your electricity bill. It only takes 30 milliseconds to switch to lunar energy, which is powered by solar panels. The standard unit can provide up to 15 kW of peak power and is suitable for consumption of up to 30 kWh. To make this possible, the system uses lithium nickel manganese cobalt oxide batteries similar to those used in the Tesla Model Y and THEM3. A typical lunar energy setup for and California would cost around $30,000, and it would pay for itself in 7 years. Brooklyn Solar Canopy. Solar panel A-frame canopies have become very popular in recent years, but the folks at Brooklyn Solar Canopy are upfront about it. This design isn't perfect for keeping out the rain since there are spaces between the panels, but who cares? The standard version is meant for rooftops anyway, and each panel with 60 or 72 cells can produce up to 350 or 400 Ws, plus the frame's maximum height is 112 m, so you can put some benches underneath for a cozy seating spot. And if your roof is already in use, Brooklyn Solar Canopy offers a similar option for parking spots. The e-color tank is perfect for Ecoloma Reservoir, both gardening hobbyists and professionals. The clever shape makes it a great fit for flower beds, and it can also be easily transported on a car's load platform. Despite its modest width of 40 centimeters, it can hold a solid 800 L of water, plus the empty tank only weighs 42 kilograms, so it can be carried by hand wherever you need it to be installed. The EOLMO has 5 inlets for quick filling and 6 outlets for watering flower beds just as fast. The tank is fully enclosed, so you won't have to worry about insects either. So if you're interested in buying an Ecolmore but don't have space for it, consider using it as a replacement for part of your fence. Since we're talking about water, EaseFlow drain fieldlets give a nod to the Easy Flow system. It's built with bendy pipes that have slits all covered in a net-like material filled with polyene foam. Sounds simple, right? But don't be fooled. Easy Flow is so good at its job that it's suggested for both draining and filtering house sewage. Plus, it'll stick around for over 100 years. You'll be pleased to know that it has a flow rate that's 30% better than the traditional options, and you'll save on hiring big machines. It's a breeze to lay down by hand. For instance, a 3M piece of Easy Flow weighs only 3 kilograms. Portchester aluminum shutters. The Portchester security shutters will shock any burglar. They can handle someone trying to break in with a screwdriver, a hammer, or even a crowbar. The secret to their toughness isn't the patented Italian locking system. It secures the top and bottom of the shutter in the frame. But don't worry, Portchester blinds still look classy and let you beef up your home security without making it look like a fortress. The louvers are 89 millimeters wide. DRIBUDD. Dry Buddy is a mind-blowing clothes dryer. According to the seller, somehow it ended up in our world, so let's check it out. The Dry Buddy will set you back $76. It's so good at its job that you'll have to scroll down a lot to see all the benefits listed. First off, the seller talks about the handy timer control. The 1200W heating element won't be running for no reason. Then there's the noteworthy cocoon cover. It creates an airing effect that helps your clothes dry quick, and it'll also keep your pets from leaving hair or poro prints on your clean sweater. And of course, the dryer's quiet cool RMWHF 4.0. Quiet Cool is all about ventilation, and they're so good at it that sometimes they can cut your air conditioning costs by up to 90%. They even install their solutions on tiled roofs, and in some cases they're powered by solar panels. Whether you need to cool down a single room or your whole house, Quiet Cool's got you covered. For instance, in an attic with no ventilation, the air can heat up to 66 degrees Celsius, but after Quiet Cool's done their thing, the temperature can drop by around 7 degrees Celsius. Plus, their ventilation system moves the air so fast that you'll feel the difference just seconds after turning it on. The Fin system is almost as smart as a PhD. It's got an important but dirty job. It keeps an eye on your plumbing. Fin's AI algorithms track the temperature, spot leaks, and warn you if your bathtub's about to overflow. Plus, it helps you figure out how much water your washing machine, dishwasher, and other appliances are using. In addition, Fin checks the pressure in your pipes 240 times a second. It then compares it to what's normal using info from other homes with the same system. You might think $580 for Fin's a bit much, but in a pilot study of 300 homes, it found issues in every 30th